Okay, good morning. I'm Anamika. Here I'm going to give a review of the book Make Your Bed, and it is Little Things That Can Change Your Life, Maybe the World. This is written by William H.
Mac
McRaven.
McRaven.
McRaven, and this book actually I accidentally met with, but it was too nice to go through this book. Actually, this book is based on the addressing this speech he addressed the graduating class of University of Texas on their commencement day, and there he shared the 10 principles he followed or he learned from the naval training period to become a frogman from a tadpole. So this book shares the first principle he shared with us is the title name of the book, Make Your Bed, and how making your bed can improve your life, how it can means it have an impact in your life. So this first making your bed means this is the first task the navy training people have to do with. They have to be neat and perfectly align their everything, their bed and their uniform. If they make a little mistake, like if the corners of the bed is not kept perfect or the pillow is not kept in the middle, they will be punished. How? So they came to become what a navy officer. For the small thing they are getting punished means this have a that much importance in their life that can change something. So according to me, this making your bed is actually worth, because even though I didn't do means I feel at the end of the day this day is not impacted, they don't have any impact in my life, but after returning to my bed I will feel this, at least this I do better. This so I can next day I can do something, so that will give me the inspiration to change something, to make something, or it will give me a better as a confidence I can move on. So this is the first principle he followed, or actually he asked us to follow this and in my concern also we all have to follow this can impact something in our life. The next thing is following is we have to believe we are not alone. It is like pedaling a boat. A small boat we can pedal, but how many distance we can cover by just pedaling ourselves? It will be only less. But if we have some people with us, if we have some colleagues or friends with us to pedal our boat, means our life, then it will be little easy, and also we can cover too much distance. So we should believe we are not alone. If we want some help, we should go and ask. And also if someone is asking for help, we should be ready to give that help. And next one is next thing is, actually I like it too much. It is being a cookie. Being a cookie means in their training period, being a cookie means they have to first they have to swim, and they have to come back and just want to roll in the sand. And every that whole day, it is a punishment actually, but the whole day they have to be like that. It will be given if they didn't make their bed good, or if they missed something in a uniform, they will be punished by this task. Being a cookie, they have to first swimming to sea and then come back and roll in that sand, and the whole day they have to be in that sand. Okay, and they have to do everything in that sand. It means sometimes we have to take all the burdens, all the stuffs will be there, but we have to move on with what we have to do, what all the tasks we have to cover. Anyway, we have to cover the burden. We have to we don't have any option. So we should be patient when we can remove all the burdens or all the sand, when we can remove, and when we can come from the sand, we should move on with this burden. Okay, then the thing is life okay, science of heart is not matters. We all know that size of a man is not a matter. Means if I have a means I met with a man who is in wheelchair, who is too short, and his name is Krishna Kumar. He is a person to inspire me. He is a person who is inspired me. Like he is a means a secretary of a trust of SMA patients. Means this SMA this sorry, he is the president of a trust named Mind, and he is taking care of all the activities the Mind Trust is working. What the task the Mind Trust is working with, he is taking the task. Actually, he is too short, but his heart is too much big, because even though he was a person in a wheelchair, he can motivate the other people in front of him. He is a motivation speaker also. So if he can do this, we also can do this. Our size, our color, our anything is not a matter. Even though we don't have a good dress to wear, it is not a matter. We should have a good heart. We should like he told me before, we should give the hand to help others. So it is not means this book I can compare with the examples in my life. He is giving examples in his life, but actually I can compare all the things with my life. Means I can see the people who help me, who have this means who is short but who have a big heart, who win their things by making their bed, who won their things by making their bed. Like that, I can find many people around me while I go through this book. Then the next is failure can make you strongest. Failure can make you strongest. You should believe failure can make you stronger, because this time we may make some mistake. Means next time we will get that idea. Means we will get how we can change. We have to change this things. We what mistake we made, we can change that. We will get that. So don't feel like I failed this time, so I have to quit. You should be stronger. You should be move on. You should believe that you can do this thing even though a failure has happened. Then people give hope. He give hope. Giving hope, this is one of the principle he give. Here he give an example. Actually that example is too good. It is like they was punished, like the whole team of their trading was punished with the, they have to be in sand for up to neck. They have to be in sand. So they thought like, okay, the officers will give only for 10 minutes, at least for 2 hours, like that only. But it was from the morning to the evening. They are like that. They means they have to they can't quit, because this is their punishment. But at the means it is like from morning to afternoon, they somehow they managed. But after that, there was like, if I get a chance to quit, I will quit. So the officers told like, if you want to quit, you can quit. You can quit from, not from this task, you can quit from this whole navy life. So they followed means 3 or 3 years to become a navy officers and to quit this. But actually that situation is too much. They all wanted to quit. But that time one among them started to sing just a song, like he was too tired. The song was also not that much clear, and but it is loud, like we can move on. So one started to sing and the other followed. So if it is like giving a hope. If someone is ready to give the hope to the team, then the team will be ready to accept that hope. So be a man who is ready to give hope to your group, who can motivate your group, and not ourselves to give hope to the others around us. Then never ever quit. As he started from the first, never ever quit. Just move on. Just do your task. Just be um, means don't think I want to quit. Just I have to leave these things. I can come back, but I can come back. But what I missed was this much time I spent for something, and I'm quitting means it is not actually good. So even though we means actually I can take our academics as an example. Sometimes since we are mathematics students, we will feel sometimes what the stuff we are studying, but actually if we tried better, we can understand something. But the while we understand the thing, that happiness we get us actually worth we spend the time. So it will be like that. We have to move on. We have to give the 100% is what we can do. And thank you, Srijit sir, for just start to just giving the stars, because I know, as I told, I'm not a reader who always go to non-fiction book. But this is actually accident. But I that time it's I actually that time I maybe that time was that much too good for me to choose this book. And thank you.